There are basically two types of Schoology groups that you might use. So there are just groups that anyone can create and you can become a member of. So for instance, some committees might do this. For instance, I'm part of the resource teachers group. Also, the instructional technology team has a group. Could be the counselors have a group, or maybe your department has a group. Anyone can create a group. So if I'm a member of a group, let me just show you. Groups are nice because it's a place where you can post updates and information. There you can have discussions, or you can post resources as well that and materials for students or for members of your committee or group to use. So a group can be used in lieu of a course. There's also district level groups. So every member of the district Schoology accounts will actually click on this arrow next to their name, and you'll notice that you've been already entered in some district level groups. For instance, I'm a member of the high school group, and all staff and students at the high school are a member of this group. Now, right now, there are no updates, but if there are important updates for the high school staff and students, they could be placed here. But what's really great is if you click on the Resources tab, this is where many of our clubs will be sharing resources with students. So for instance, if I'm applying for National Honor Society, I would click on here for the application packet, etc. If I go back, the library resources, such as links to all the online subscriptions, will also be available to students here as well. So becoming familiar with groups as you move forward is something that you'll want to do because you most likely will be participating or accessing resources from groups along the way.